G'day, my name's Kieran. If you're anything like me and my family, we'll have a good old-fashioned camping trip. So this weekend we've ducked out to the beautiful Kirar Nulla Family Farm just outside Woodford, Queensland. Are you excited to go camping?
Yep.
Yep, alright, let's go. Whilst the family have gone ahead and set up the family tent, I've decided to check out the new King Single Dome Canvas swag from Wild Earth. I could definitely get used to this. Well, now that the hard part's done, it's time to kick back and enjoy the serenity.
Time to make some lunch.
No rest for the wicked. Now it's usually at this stage after you finish building the fire that you realise that you've got your matches and a lighter. But today we're going to use the old trusty flint. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. Our friends over at Noosa Spitfire have given us this beautiful casserole. We're going to cook up some lunch and can't wait. Oh, that's beautiful. Now you all know I love conservation, and the amazing owners here at Kirar Nulla have kindly asked me if I'd like to plant some trees. How could I say no? Let's go grab the shovel. Yeah, it doesn't get any better than this. Fresh air and planting trees. You beauty. Sharon, Terry and Paul have done an incredible job planting trees on this property. It was such an honour to be able to contribute. Now it's time for a beer. Well, it's been an incredible day. We've had lots of fun. Now it's time to kick back with a beer, a bit of John Williamson, and maybe some dinner. So not only do we love camping as a family, but we love cooking as a family. And tonight, my eldest daughter Sierra is going to cook us dinner. What are we having tonight?
Tonight we were making sausage hot pot, which is one of my favourites, and we're making it with dumplings.
Oh, awesome. What's the first step?
Browning the sausages.
Browning the sausages, so let's do that. Okay, so whilst you're doing that, what can I do?
You can peel the onion and cut the sweet potato.
Done. My old earth knife. Okay, so that's done, so what now?
No, the sausages are nice and brown now. Now we cut them in tiny little pieces, stick them in the pot with the sweet potato and onion.
Beautiful, we can do that. So we've hit some rain. It's totally typical when you're camping, but we're still persisting with the sausage hot pot.
Yep.
And it's still cooking, so that's a plus. But it is bucketing down. We are caught in the middle of a storm.
Very fun.
But on with the show.
Whew, it's cold.
Can't beat it. Wild Earth at its best. So as you can hear behind me, it is absolutely bucketing down with rain. But what's a camping experience without rain? But it's a good time for me to talk about the dry sack. Now you can stick all your valuables in the dry sack, including your phone, GoPro, wallet, keys, whatever you desire, and it will keep it nice and dry. It will even float in a river. But I definitely recommend, if you're out camping, definitely get one of these. Now we may have been beaten by the rain, but we persisted with the sausage hot pot, and persistence pays off. And we are about to eat dinner amongst the rain, the dampness, and the family are in the tent. They're nice and dry, and we're about to tuck in to some good camping food. And I'm so excited because I'm so bloody hungry. But yeah, it's been a good day, and yeah, don't ever let rain dampen your spirits. So we've survived the rain, and we're now out here toasting marshmallows. You beauty! Well, we've had our tucker and had our dessert and some rain, and we will see you tomorrow morning. Good night, guys. Well, like all good camping adventures, they come to an end. And despite the rain, we have had an absolute ball here at the Kirar Nulla Family Farm. We hope you've enjoyed following along. Until next time, get out and check out your beautiful wild earth.